Feeling overwhelmed by IELTS prep? Let's simplify it. Welcome to your IELTS Preparation Hub, an all-in-one system to build clarity, confidence, and strategy. From Band 0 to Band 9, our step-by-step templates guide you through listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Let's get started. Ready to master your IELTS journey? Get the full IELTS Mastery Hub for $59.99, and don't forget your free IELTS Essentials Starter Kit at the link below. You'll receive a weekly study plan template, a skill-by-skill checklist, plus our full suite of Spark SkyTech resources. Start your path to success today. Thank you for watching and good luck in your exam.